Hi everyone, welcome to Creatify Lab with me, Mia. I am so excited to kick off this new tutorial series with all the best ways to make in Creatify. Today we're going to be talking about AI influencers, a great way to really grow personas of your brand, attract the right audience, and also grow your brand with intention, not guesswork. Creatify does exactly this by providing an expansive library of avatars to choose from. I'm going to show you all the best practices and pro tips on how to get the most value out of your avatars. Let's get into it. All right, so we're gonna start here on Creatify's product homepage, where we're gonna be navigating to the very top where it says Avatar Video. As you can see, we're given two different options, either to upload an image of yourself or somebody else to create a twin avatar, or to choose from our huge library of avatars that already exist. What is so great about using avatars is the ability to really customize their persona for certain audiences you might be targeting, as well as really being able to prompt and refine them for certain goals, messaging, or needs for your brand. Now let's go ahead and hit choose from avatar library. As you can see, there are so many options of avatars that you can choose from, and we even have the ability at the top to search for specific requirements and even filter through type, gender, age, and even more filters going into industry and even shooting style. If we move further to the right, we can also see that we can sort these avatars through newly added all the way to most popular. Now today we're going to be addressing a beauty product. So let's go ahead and choose our type as a realistic avatar. Let's choose the gender as female, the age as young adult. Let's go with the industry as beauty and personal care, and I think I want to do a shooting style that is selfie. Awesome. So as you can see, it gives us a good range of avatars that we can choose from. I think I like Stephanie, so let's go ahead and go with her. All right, so we're brought here into our scripting screen, where we have a lot of different options of really trying to refine and tailor our avatar to the way that we really want it to be. We can upload some audio to turn into a transcript, input our own transcript, or even use the AI scriptwriter to help us if we feel a little bit stuck. Now, Creatify does a great job of matching audios with the avatars as chosen, but in the case that you feel it doesn't fit, we can go into the voice library and look through a huge amount of voices to explore, and being able to, similarly like the avatar library, search through specific requirements, including language, accents, or even gender. Awesome. All right, coming back to our script editor, I feel a little unsure of how I want to go about my script. So let's go ahead and consult that AI scriptwriter and write, help me generate a script for my favorite beauty product, Derma Hydrating Cream. Awesome. Creatify does a great job at also contextualizing different tones and also ways to communicate the messaging of your brand. For example, we can go with different script styles like storytelling, all the way to promotional, exploration, or even motivational. I think for this one, we're gonna go with the promotional script style and hit generate. So our script has generated and it looks awesome, but I do feel like I want a little bit more nuanced emotion. Something that Creatify does really, really well is giving you the ability to really tailor with emotional tags. Our new V3 model is one of the fastest, allowing you to create more emotional nuances, including tags like laughing or even whispering. So let's go ahead and hit this little emoji button on the bottom. Okay, as you can see, it's done a great job at adding those emotional tags, and I think I want to change this first one to be excited instead of whispering. Awesome, that looks pretty good. Now let's move on to ratio as well as playing around with captions. Now I think I'm going to stick with a 9:16 as a traditional ratio, but we can move on to adding a more TikTok style caption to our avatar or our influencer content. I typically like to go with something like a quiet serif. So let's go ahead and hit this caption style and hit confirm. Okay, I think we're done customizing our avatar. This looks great, and I'm so excited to see what the results are gonna be. So let's go ahead and hit generate video and hit render. Now, it takes between 5 to 10 minutes to usually render out an avatar video. So let's go ahead and wait for that to come through, and I'll come back to you when it's all rendered out. All right, our video's rendering. Let's come back to it in a few minutes when Creatify is done rendering out our video. Amazing, our influencer has generated, and it looks pretty good if I do say so myself. Now let's take a look.
What if hydrated, luminous skin was just one step away? Meet Derma Hydrating Cream, the perfect solution for anyone craving lasting moisture and a radiant.
As you can see, there are so many different ways to create AI influencers using our templates. We even have the ability to share this directly with a link or even to social media, and even being able to launch these directly on ad platforms like Meta, Axon, or even TikTok. Thank you so much for watching this video. I can't wait to see what you come up with. Don't forget to like and share this video, and also subscribe to our channel for more content. Thank you for experimenting with me at Creatify Lab, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!